Understanding the possibilities of robotic process automation could be your ticket to a career change and a salary boost. Today we'll talk about different career paths in RPA that you can take. Firstly, it is important to understand that RPA opportunities are not limited to technologists. Business analysts and others will be able to analyze business processes and imagine how they can be automated, can learn to produce bots themselves or write up the requirements for an RPA developer to work from. So there are 4 main job positions in RPA world: RPA developer, analyst, architect, and project manager. Of course, you can perform several roles at the same time. Moreover, it is important to combine skills of all 4 positions to be a great RPA specialist. So let's discuss those roles one by one. So, developer is the most popular role in RPA world. As developer, you should build and implement RPA programs for companies, helping them automate business processes. This position is great for people who have basic coding skills or are just starting their journey in automation world. In this course, we will mostly focus on a roadmap to become a successful developer, because eventually all next roles require you to be a good developer. According to Glassdoor, average salary for RPA developer is almost $80,000 a year in US. It is important to combine the following skills to become a developer: knowledge of at least one RPA tool, for example UiPath, Blue Prism, or any other. Knowledge of widely used coding languages like VB.NET and SQL would be a great asset. It is highly recommended that you have an understanding of the enterprise internal systems, since RPA requires integration with multiple systems. An RPA developer should be capable of performing operations on datasets and creating databases. While in most cases integration in RPA happens on the system's UI layer, sometimes the need arises to send API requests. So, advanced familiarity with REST API and SOAP UI is a huge bonus. We will discuss required skills in greater details during this course. RPA analyst analyzes business processes and identifies automation opportunities, while updating stakeholders and working with the development team. Rather than technical skills, good analysts should have a critical analytical thinking, knowledge of technical documentation, and of course understanding of what RPA technology is capable of. Average salary for RPA analyst is around $70,000 a year in US. RPA architect is a senior developer who, among other things, will set up the initial infrastructure and examine feasibility. RPA architects usually have more than 5 years of hands-on automation development. They are required to have strong conceptual and analytical skills, as well as deep understanding of infrastructure and technical components of automation. Glassdoor states that average salary for RPA architect is $110,000. RPA project manager acts as a bridge between the business, technology, and other departments involved in RPA project. The most important for a good manager is to have knowledge of software development lifecycle and PM approaches like agile and design thinking. Of course, profound knowledge of common RPA and AI software is important, however, a good manager is mostly defined by soft skills. According to Glassdoor, average salary for RPA project manager is $90,000 a year. There are different RPA roles you can take, however, developer is a starting point, so this course will mostly focus on how to become a successful RPA developer.